Good day, everyone. How are you, class?
We're fine, ma'am.
Okay, thank you for responding, Miss Kaluwag. Today is May 1, 2022, and my time is 3:05 in the afternoon, and I have two attendees in this class. Before we formally proceed to our discussion, I would like to ask if my audio and video is clear on your end.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you for responding. How about my PowerPoint presentation, guys? Is this visible on your end?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. And reminders, keep your microphones muted unless you were asked to answer. You can use the raise hand button to participate, and the chat box is open for questions and clarifications. Are we clear with that, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now let's proceed to our discussion. Now, as you can see on your screen, there is a direction. Can you please read the direction, Miss Kaluwag?
Please identify the different pictures on the screen. These are pictures of objects, place, and animals.
Okay, thank you, Miss Kaluwag. Now what you are going to do is you will just tell me the names of the pictures that are presented on the screen. Do you understand, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so now let's proceed. Miss Kaluwag, can you please identify the pictures on the slide?
Ma'am, it is a plane and a train.
Okay, correct. It is a plane and a train. Now, how about you, Miss Bautista? Can you please identify?
It is the planet Jupiter and Earth, ma'am.
Okay, that is right. It is the planet Jupiter and Earth. Now for the third slide, can you please identify Miss Kaluwag?
Ma'am, the pictures are both a bed, but the first one is a tidy bedroom, while the other one is a messy bedroom.
Okay, you are correct, Miss Kaluwag. That is a good observation. It is a picture of a tidy bedroom and a messy bedroom. Next, Miss Bautista again. Can you please identify?
It is an elephant, ma'am, and a rhino.
Okay, that is correct. It is an elephant and a rhino. Now let's proceed to the next slide. Miss Kaluwag.
Ma'am, it is an English book and a math book.
Okay, correct. It is an English and math book. And for the last sets of pictures, Miss Bautista, can you please identify?
Ma'am, I think the first picture is Korea and the second is Japan.
Okay, that is correct. It is a Korea and Japan. Okay, that's all for the sets of pictures. I divided these sets of pictures between the two of you. And now, you are going to do is compare the pictures to each other and construct sentences. Do you understand, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. For the first three sets of pictures, it will be given to Miss Kaluwag. These are the plane and train, Jupiter and Earth, and tidy room and messy room. While the last three sets of pictures will be given to Miss Bautista. These are the elephant and rhino, English book and math book, and lastly, Korea and Japan. Do you understand, guys?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay. Now I will give you an example. Okay. In the first picture, it is a busy woman. And in the second picture is a not so busy man. So I will compare them and I will construct a sentence. For example, she is busier than him. Did you get that, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay, now I will give you 3 minutes to construct your own sentences. You may turn off your camera while doing your task. And we will be back after 3 minutes. Are we cool with that, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so your 3 minutes starts now. Hello everyone, time is up. Now please open your cameras for us to continue our discussion. Are you done constructing your sentences, guys?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay, now let's start. I will encode your answers in this slide. Miss Kaluwag, let us hear your answers.
My answers are, first one is a plane is faster than a train.
Plane, wait for a while. A plane is, wait for a while, is faster than a train. Okay, wait for a while. Okay, next, Miss Kaluwag.
Next is Jupiter is bigger than the Earth.
Jupiter is bigger than the Earth. And for the last one, Miss Kaluwag.
Last one is my bedroom is tidier than my sister's.
Bedroom is tidier than my sister's. Okay, thank you, Miss Kaluwag. Very good example. Now let us hear from Miss Bautista. Miss Bautista.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you proceed. Now proceed.
The first one is an elephant is larger than a rhino.
Wait for a while. Elephant
Is
is larger than a rhino. Okay, next, Miss Bautista.
the English book is more interesting than math book.
Wait for a while. The English book, again, Miss Bautista. English book is
More interesting than math book.
interesting. That is this one. More interesting than a math book. The last one, Miss Bautista, proceed.
Korea is farther than Japan.
Korea is farther than Japan. Okay, thank you, Miss Bautista. Now, let me highlight this specific part of the table. And also allow me to highlight these parts of the table. Wait for a while. Okay, guys. Now my question is, what is the common denominator of all these sentences you provided? Anyone from the class who wants to answer? Okay, Miss Kaluwag, you are raising your hand.
Ma'am, I think all these sentences, as I observed, use adjective.
Okay, thank you, Miss Kaluwag. It is particularly a comparative adjectives. How about you, Miss Bautista? What are your observations?
I observed that the part that is highlighted in yellow are subjects, ma'am.
Again, Miss Bautista?
I observed that the part that is highlighted in yellow are subjects, ma'am.
Okay, I will correct. The subject here is the one who will highlighted in the blue and the pink one. That is our subject. Do you understand, guys?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay, thank you for your answer, guys. Now let us check if your observations are correct. Can you please read the first sentence, Miss Kaluwag? Can
Ma'am,
you
the first
please,
sentence po.
yes, can you please read this first sentence?
Okay po, ma'am. A plane is faster than a train.
Okay. In the first sentence, we have two subjects, which are the plane and a train. And our comparative adjective is the word faster. So it means that your observations, guys, are correct. So let's check the second sentence to make sure that your observations are correct. Can you please read the second sentence, Miss Bautista? This sentence.
Jupiter is bigger than the Earth.
Okay, thank you, Miss Bautista. The two subjects in the second sentence are the Jupiter and the Earth. And our comparative adjective is the word bigger. So it means that your observations are really correct. Nice observations, everyone. With these examples, with these examples, we can conclude that when we use comparative adjectives, there are two subjects because comparative adjectives are used to compare two people or thing. Can you follow, guys? Do you understand?
Yes,
Yes
ma'am.
po, ma'am.
Are you sure, class?
Yes
Yes
po.
po.
Okay. Now to test your memorization, I will remove these words. Okay, wait a minute. And now, you need to fill in the space with the same comparative adjectives given by your classmate. Do you understand, guys?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay. The first three sentences will be filled in by Miss Bautista, and the last three sentences will be filled in by Miss Kaluwag. So now let's start. Miss Bautista, proceed.
Um, a plane is faster than a train.
One, Miss Bautista.
The Jupiter is bigger than Earth.
Okay, and for the last one,
My room is tidier than my sister.
okay, wait for a while. Thank you, Miss Bautista. Okay, thank you, Miss Bautista. Let us ask Miss Kaluwag if your answers are correct. Miss Kaluwag, do you have same answers with Miss Bautista?
Yes po, ma'am. We have the same answer po.
Okay, thank you, Miss Kaluwag. Now, please proceed, Miss Kaluwag.
An elephant is larger than a rhino.
Okay, next one, please.
Next is the English book is more interesting than the math book.
Okay, wait for a while. Let me fix this one. And for the last one, Miss Kaluwag, proceed.
Korea is farther than Japan.
Okay, thank you. And now let us ask Ms. Bautista if your answers are correct. Miss Karen?
Her answers are all correct, ma'am.
Okay, thank you everyone for your participation. Now, what we're going to do is to construct three similar sentences with comparative adjectives. I will give you 3 minutes to accomplish this task. Are we cool with that, class?
Yes po,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, if you don't have any questions, you may now start. Okay, time is up, everyone. Are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, thank you for responding. Now let us hear your answers. Let us first have Miss Kaluwag. Okay, wait for a while, Miss Kaluwag. Okay, Miss Kaluwag, proceed.
Here are my sentences po. Mark
Okay.
is taller than John.
Mark is taller
Taller
than
than
John. Okay. Next, Miss Kaluwag.
Spain is hotter than England.
Okay. Spain is hotter than England. For the last one,
Science is easier than math.
science is easier than math. Okay, thank you, Miss Kaluwag. Now let us hear from Miss Bautista. Miss Bautista.
My sentences are Jill got better grade than Josh.
Okay. Jill got better grade than Josh. Okay. Next one, please.
Dana is stronger than Carl.
Is stronger than.
Carl.
Okay, thank you. And for the last one,
My friend is quicker than me.
friend is quicker than me. Okay, wait for a while. Okay. Okay, thank you, Miss Bautista. Based on your answers, guys, it is obvious that you really learned our topic for today. I'm glad that you understand it easily. Do you have any questions or clarifications, guys?
None po, ma'am.
Okay, thank you for responding, Ms. Bautista. If there is no questions, I will now end this discussion. Thank you for listening and actively participation. Goodbye, everyone. Have a good day. Goodbye, guys.
Goodbye, ma'am.
Bye.